Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for joining me. So greetings from Yokohama. I am in Yokohama again, and I decided to stay at the same hotel that Satoshi and I stayed at for a couple of nights a couple of weeks ago. At that time, I meant to film for this channel, but I wasn't able to. We filmed 2 videos for the Tabi Eats channel, but none for this one. So I'm back here, and I liked this hotel very, very much. It's very reasonable, and we still have that go-to travel campaign going on, and right now Tokyo is still eligible. So before something happens that we're not able to get the benefits anymore, I thought I'd take advantage of it one more time. But let me give you guys a tour of this room, okay? Because it's a really beautiful room. Alright guys, so this is the entrance of the room. As soon as you enter, there's this beautiful painting. It's the same painting from the other place I stayed at. I wonder what this is. Is this a closet? Yeah, this is a closet. Okay, so here's the closet. It's very spacious. I actually didn't bring any clothes, so I won't be using this closet. But there's lots of space here. A couple of bathrobes up there. This is the fabric freshener. Hangers, you got your shoe polisher, the shoe horn, shoe brush, and slippers down there. Okay, quick tour. There's a full-length mirror here. Let's check out the bathroom very quickly. So this is the bathroom. And you got a couple of hand towels there. Body towel, glasses, hair dryer, and I believe these are the toiletries. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You have everything you could ever want. They have a toiletries from L'Occitane, which is one of my favorite. They have body lotion, you got body shampoo, body oil, shampoo and conditioner. And you got toothbrush here. Oh, sorry, I forgot to bring my toothbrush. That's okay. There's toothbrush here. Okay, so we'll put this back on, and then that's the face and hand soap. This is a sink. Let me give you a look around the bathroom. It's a pretty nice bathroom, don't you agree? It's not like super large or anything, but it's large enough for me. The bath towels are quite plush, and this is the bathtub. That's my soap. Yeah, I like it. I'm going to take a really nice hot bath today. All right. And here's the bedroom. So this is what they call the Hollywood twin. It's twin beds that are stuck together like this. Totally fine. This is fine. And just in case you guys are wondering, the room was 7,000 yen, which is like 60 something US dollars. That's with the 35% discount from the Go To Travel campaign. And I also got some coupons. So here are some drawers. And then we have the bar. And every day they give you 2 bottles of complimentary water. And then complimentary green tea, roasted tea, and plum tea. You have like 6 packets of those. Those are complimentary. And of course, if you want to drink something from the bar, your refrigerator is stocked. Of course, these are for purchase, and of course, the prices are a bit on the exorbitant side. The TV is a flat screen TV, very nice. Let's see what's in here. It's just another place for more stuff if you have stuff to put in. And check this out, guys. I love this. So we are on the 60th floor because pandemic's going on. You have the alcohol sanitizer. And then you have this right here, which I'm not going to be using, unfortunately. Too bad they don't have decaf. So they have the Nespresso pods here. You got 4 of them, and you have a machine here. And then that's my hot water. And then you have 2 chairs here overlooking the outside. It's nighttime right now, so it's really hard to see the view because of the glare, but can you see? Let's see, how close can I get? Whoops, that's glass. But look, kind of looks like you're on an airplane, huh? Look at that. Yeah, I think I'll show you guys the view during the day because right now there's glare, you can't really see anything. Yeah, and this is my room. I am so happy. You know, I was at home and I knew I had to take more videos for this channel because I've run out of all the Okinawan videos and the extra video I took at the park. And I thought, what else should I take? And I don't know, I just wasn't in the mood to take anything nearby. Like I wasn't excited about anything nearby, which isn't really a good thing. I really should get more excited about stuff nearby. Just took my socks off, just trying to relax. And I enjoy Yokohama so much, and every time I come to Yokohama, 2 days is really not enough, at least for me. I like to explore all the nooks and crannies, and the last time I was here with Satoshi, we really had a good time exploring Chinatown. We were in Chinatown for 3 days, looking for where the good street food is, and trying to look for things that were interesting for you guys. And I think because we did that, we learned to appreciate, but we ended up appreciating Chinatown a lot more, just because we took a closer look at everything that Chinatown has to offer. So definitely hope you guys enjoyed that video over on Tabi Eats. If you didn't watch it, don't forget to watch it. It's over on Tabi Eats. And then Hawaii Town as well. And today is the first video from Yokohama. More to come. So stay tuned. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy the videos coming very soon on this channel of one of my favorite cities in Japan. All right, guys. So I am going to teleport you guys downstairs and show you guys a little bit about what's around this hotel. Okay, see you guys in a moment. Hey, how's it going? Hello, everybody. All right, we've teleported down to ground level, and this is what the hotel looks like from the outside. Check it out. It is actually the tallest building in Yokohama. Yes, it's a pretty tall building. You see, the hotel is actually up here. My room is around there on the 60th floor. Yeah, it's a pretty tall building. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what's around the hotel. This is very, very centrally located, especially if you're wanting to, see all the tourist things, but also for non-tourist things, touristy things as well. Okay, so once again, that's the hotel, and as you can see, the city is kind of lighted up for the holiday season. It's really beautiful. Look at that. Look at all the lights. And Sakuragicho Station is down that way. Sakuragicho Station is that's kind of like it's very almost like the center of the city life in Yokohama. I might be mistaken, but that's kind of how I look at it. And then this way is the landmark shopping mall, which is connected to the hotel here. And on this side is I think it's called like Queen's Square or something. Yeah, Queen's Square, and that's another shopping area. And then right across the street is the little city amusement park, where they have a roller coaster and they have a Ferris wheel. We're not gonna go that way today, but I'll just quickly show you guys. You see that green light in the background? That's the Ferris wheel there. And then this is a really nice street to walk along, and then the ocean is on that side. But instead of going that way today, I want to turn this way. We're gonna go to the other side. This is the side where it's more local. So this side, most tourists have no business, I guess, going down this way, but I find it quite nice and always not crowded at all. And there's a very nice street that is decorated with holiday lights, and it's really beautiful. So I kind of want to show you guys that area. Okay, so once again, to my left is Landmark Plaza. the shopping center that's connected to the hotel. And on my right is Queen Square, another shopping complex. And here you have Shake Shack. And I do get cravings for my Shake Shack cheeseburger now and then. And I am actually thinking, should I get a cheeseburger for dinner tonight? I don't know. But that's Queen Square. Look at that, the lights are so pretty. Shake Shack. And I really like this Shake Shack because, you know, right now, for me at least, I feel much safer eating outside. So they do have outdoor seating right here. And look, we're gonna walk through this side, guys. I like the lights here. I really do. Usually the lights are very pretty in Tokyo, but usually very crowded with people. And the last time I came here with Satoshi, we found this area to be really nice and not very crowded. Yeah, happy holidays everybody. It's already December, can you believe it? My goodness, what a year it has been, huh? Okay, and then there's another shopping complex here called Mark Is. It's a strange name, but it's a pretty awesome shopping center. As far as shopping centers are concerned, I really like this particular shopping center. That's the street below us. And if you go straight down there, it's the ocean. It's a really nice area. There's a beautiful park there. Okay, let's check the lights out. I really hope you guys are having a nice December. You know, it's been one crazy year, hasn't it, guys? Wherever you are in the world, it's been crazy, absolutely crazy. And my hope is that these videos give you a sense of joy and, I don't know, make you forget about all the bad stuff going around. I really do. Look at this, isn't it pretty? It's all blue. And if you're wondering what's on my left side, so this building here is a museum. It's a museum I've never been to actually. This is the Yokohama Museum. And even the museum is doing some kind of light show, I noticed. That's cool. Well, look, even the ground, I just noticed there are lights on the ground. Ah, I didn't notice that the last time I was here. But looking back towards my hotel, well, that's my hotel on the right side. It's pretty, isn't it? Oh, I love this so much. Let's walk through here. Now, you know, I am back here in Yokohama, you know, because the last time I was here, I wasn't able to film anything for this channel, and I really want to show you guys some of my favorite places here in this amazing city and why I love this city so much. I really do. I don't know why. Before I came here, before I arrived in Yokohama today, I wasn't really in the best of moods for some reason. And every time I come to Yokohama, I feel very relaxed and I feel happy. I don't know why. Okay. Oh, look, it's red now. Well, that's the Yokohama Museum. It's pretty, isn't it? I haven't been to a museum in a long time. And here is the mall. Let me show you the mall called Mark Is. I believe it's open until 9 p.m. and I think the restaurants are open until 10. Alright. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I'm so happy I'm back here. And a lot of you guys who follow my Instagram account, a lot of you guys asked about my avocado toast that I had, and I posted it on my Instagram, and many of you guys asked me where I got it. Well, I'll show you because it's right here. Everything is very peaceful here, isn't it? It's almost as though COVID doesn't exist, but it does. We're being very careful. and most people have masks on. The majority of people have masks on, except for those two kids, but that's okay, they're social distanced. As you can see, it's really not this crowded. All right, so look at these little things here, like stones. So these are just public seating. All this area, you can just choose and pick your favorite chair to sit on. And this is the place where I got the avocado toast. It's actually Blue Bottle coffee. Of course, you know, you guys know, many of you guys know Blue Bottle coffee, of course. But did you know they have amazing avocado toast? It was actually one of the best avocado toasts I had. And once again, you know, it's great because there's so much seating. You can sit inside, and they've opened all the windows for ventilation, but you can sit out here. These are also seats, and of course you can sit out here as well. So you got a lot of choices. And then we're gonna cross the street here. Now all this area here, this area of Yokohama, is mostly residential. Yeah, like all this here are condominiums here. I think this is a fabulous place to live. I love this area so much. This right here is an office building. Yeah, and then there's an office building next to it as well, but everything on this side is residential. And I think they planned this area very, very well. I think if it was all business buildings, this place would be very dead. But I think because they've combined residential and office together, and also, you know, just made it very pleasant, I think that's why this is very well planned out area. Okay, we're gonna cross the street. I just remembered that I gave you a quick room tour of the hotel room, didn't I? Alright, so I have to keep track of the time. I don't want this video to become too long. Okay, we're on the other side. So on the right side, the first floor of this particular condominium, you will see Tsutaya bookstore as well as a Starbucks. And as you notice, there are seats inside, but look, there are lots of seating outside as well. Tons of seating outside. I love it. Last time Satoshi and I were here, this was our seat right here. We sat right here next to this little water feature. And then on the left side, there is a Thai restaurant with a lot of outdoor seating as well. And there's another restaurant over there. And then I'm not really sure what's further down there. I think there are some shops, and it just becomes all residential. But isn't this a beautiful place? All right, I've turned back because I'm getting further away from my hotel, and I have some stuff to do on that side, so I don't want to go too far. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this tour of my room and also the area around my hotel. By the way, the hotel I stayed at is called the Royal Park Hotel in the Landmark Tower in Yokohama. Once again, it was about 7,000 yen, and that includes the 35% discount with the Go-To campaign. And they also gave me, because I'm staying here 2 nights, I also got 5,000 yen worth of coupons that I can use at participating retailers and shops and restaurants. So it's a really good deal. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next Yokohama adventure. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.